If you see right now, the crude is at the center of global conflicts, not just on chart, but in the real world geopolitics. Middle East tensions rising, supply routes pressure, energy market are on edge. And whenever this happened, oil became unpredictable. But here's the twist. Even with the rising tensions, oil is not trending cleanly. Why? If you see this particular trend, the price is trading around 101 point. Particular pattern is supporting an upside, and we have seen a strong level at 77. Keep this in mind that if the price fall below 77, a further fall can be seen. But this pattern is supporting an upside, so chances of further high can be seen. But if it started going above $114.87, this bigger pattern will support an higher side, and then a probability of crossing 147 also can be seen. If you see that, we have seen there is a dollar is getting strengthened, and we have seen there is a war versus economic conflict is happening because oil is stuck between two forces, war and supply risk. If there is something like this, we will see there is a trend towards bullish, but if there is economic slowdown fear, we can see the crude price can come down, but the market does not see which side to follow because we are seeing sudden spikes and quick reversal, fake breakouts, and this is not trending. This is manipulation plus positionings. Now if you see weekly chart, but before I explain you weekly chart, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall. Okay, so if it keep moving upside, chances are high it will cross a level of 105.3, which is already a weak level. So we can see the price will rise above a level of around 107.5, and once the price rising above this level, probability of going 111.68 will be there, and this is a weak level. Okay, and if the price rising of this level, probability is high, it will touch a level of 114.68. This 114.68 is already a weak level, so the price will rise above that level, and from there it will touch a level of around $123.52. Okay, and if the price moving off that particular level, chance of touching 130.36 is there. This is the pattern we can see, and if it keep moving upside, chances are high after this level directly we can see the price will move towards $146.75. Okay, what you can do best is trail your SL by around $2 to $3, so at least you'll capture upside movement. Two patterns that you have to see. If it keep moving above a level of around 108, if it sustain, because probability will be high, it will cross a level of 112 if the price sustain above 108, and if it keep moving above 114.68, there is a higher chances of further high. This pattern will support an upside. But if it keep falling down, see, remember, market is uncertain. This is an important level on the upside. If it sustain above this level, a further high can be seen, and a level of around 77 is also a very important level towards downside. So if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen, but if it sustain from this level, a further bounce back. So till if it's sustaining above 77, a further high can be seen, but if it keep moving down, it can come down towards $95.2. Okay, and from there we can see a next support at 88.42, which is support 2. This is support 1, and if the price didn't sustain, we can see a level of 83.97. From there we can see a level of $80.82, and if the price fall below this level, we can see a level of 77.42, which is support 4, and if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 70.6 can be seen, and if the price going below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around 66.42, which is support 5, and if the price fall below this level, we can see this gap will be filled. Okay, but remember that there is a higher chances that if the price keep moving above a level of 114, a further upside can be seen. Okay, trailing is very important. 114.82 is an important level. If it sustain, a further upside can be seen, so trail your SL by $2 to $3, but started falling below 77, a further downfall can be seen, so trail your SL by $2 to $3. Okay, coming back on a lower time frame where you'll understand how the price is moving, because we have seen a good volatility in the crude oil. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, there is a pattern is formed if you see from this perspective. Okay, this is showing that if the price sustain above a level of 77.51, showing an upside, plus this pattern is supporting higher side, so chances are high it will cross a level of 101.7, then it can touch a level of 102.2. Remember, as soon as it touches this level, it will go directly towards next level of 119.63. So if it sustain above 102.2, chances of touching 119.63 is very high, because this bigger pattern will support an upside. So trail your SL by around $2 to $3 if the price sustain over 102.2. Okay, and then further high. But remember, if the price started coming down, it will move in this zone again. So probability is high it can go towards $100.18, which is support one, and from there it will move towards 98.49. and once the price fall below this level, it will touch a level of 95.4. From there, a further fall can be seen towards $93, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall can be seen towards 89.57. From there, it will go below 86.58, and if the price falling below this level, a further fall can be seen towards 83.9, and then a further fall can be seen towards 78.48, because there will be a zone breakout. So we can see it will fall towards a level of around 75.3 to a level of 70.2, and then this gap will be filled. Okay, this is what we can see. So trail your SL by around $2 if the price started going below this a level of around 93. Okay, and now if we come on a more lower time frame, because see, it is also an understandable thing that the price is moving in this zone. So if you are trading for on a smaller chart, that means around 2 hours chart or 15-minute chart, this is very helpful. See, the price is trying to zone out if the price keep moving above this level, because a level of 101.8 is a weak level. So chances are high it will cross a level of 102.78, then there will be a zone breakout, so it will move towards 104.74. From there it will go towards 107.67, and yes, as soon as there is a zone breakout, this pattern will support an upside. So chances of touching 104.4 will be there, then to a level of 107.6, then it will touch a level of 111, and then a further upside can be seen towards 116.62, and then a further upside can be seen. So trail your SL by around $2 to $3. But suppose if the price started coming down, it can come down towards 100.34, then from there a level of 98.39, and then it will move towards 95.32, and if the price fall below this level, we can see a level of 93.5. then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will move towards 91.39, then it will move towards 89.27, then to a level of 86.67, and if the price going below this level, a further fall can be seen. So remember that there is a higher chances that the price can go further low, and from there a further fall can be seen towards $84, and then a further zone breakout can happen towards downside. Okay, now we can see that economic events are happening because of the Middle East tensions, and OPEC decision is there, US dollar is there, global demands outlook, and we can see these are the factor that is affecting the crude price. So what we can see in the next week, crude is not trending, it is compressing. Okay, so what's compress towards in the next year? Crude oil is not trending, it compressing, and when market compress, it explodes. So we can see the biggest rally it can come if the price started going on the 2-hour chart 102.5, but if the bearish, we can see below a level of 84, then only we can see there can be a sharp drop or a sudden downside we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to